whatever business I do, I want to know it inside out.
Mm,
So they can't basically lead me by my nose and telling me things because I know. So I know how does my accommodation business work in Australia because I work from the bottom my way up, and I started it. Same with the coffee shops, so agriculture, we've been grown into since we've been little. The car dealership is, well, I'm not expert in that. I know my way around. I understand how the business works. I come for meetings and get the reporting, so I'm interested. I'm learning about it. Any business I do, I would like to learn the most about the business so I'm good at it. I don't need to be expert leading it, but I need to understand it and I need to be kind of passionate about it.